Hi everyone. Firstly, I apologize for my man voice. I'm a little bit sick today, and also I have the hiccups, so I'll try and edit them out. You may be wondering why I'm sitting on my kitchen floor. Um, I kind of have a fetish with kitchen floors. Not just my kitchen floor either. All of my best friends' kitchen floors and everything. It's especially cool because they've started doing it around their friends that I'm not friends with. So it's kind of growing and it's becoming a craze. Soon we will take over the world with kitchen floorness. Or not. One day my boyfriend's parents walked in at midnight and I'm just sitting there on the floor eating Cocoa Pops. You know, usual stuff. Uh, they'll accept me one day. I come back from the Philippines, I'm gonna make a whole video telling you how amazing that was. Um, because it was. And I've also been going on to formals. I'll show you some pictures of that. This is me. This is me and my boyfriend. Here we are again. Here we are looking cute. These group of girls on a balcony. Here we are in a bathroom. This is me and my best friend. And this is Butter. Ballet concert coming up soon. Hey! That's exciting. Um, I'll tell you more about that when that happens. So, bye. My girlfriend and I have been going to formals lately. So he's away in Costa